Tesla's Model 2 could kill traditional auto repair shops. Here's the shocking reality. What costs $6,000 to fix today drops to $850 with Tesla's bolt-on crash pods. Their 48-volt plug-in modules turn 3-hour repairs into 30-minute swaps. But there's something bigger happening that repair shops aren't prepared for. Let's dive right in. Tesla's Model 2 isn't just another electric car. It's a systematic demolition of everything that makes auto repair shops profitable. Here's exactly how Tesla engineered their way around the industry's biggest moneymakers and why repair shop owners are losing sleep over it. The bolt-on crash pod system is pure genius disguised as simplicity. Picture traditional car repairs like performing surgery. When you hit something, the damage spreads through interconnected systems like a disease. Tesla's Model 2 works more like a smartphone with a protective case. The crash pods are sacrificial modules bolted onto impact zones that absorb energy before it reaches expensive components. Here's the killer detail that has repair shops terrified. Tesla's service documentation shows these pods attach with standardized torque specs, just 16 Newton-meters at the front subframe, 75 Newton-meters for bumper connections. Any technician can follow the published procedure. No specialized frame pulling equipment, no guesswork, no hours of diagnostic time. But here's what few people realize. This completely eliminates the repair shop's cash cow. That $850 to $6,000 collision repair? Now it's a 30-minute bolt-off, bolt-on job. The energy gets contained in a cheap pod instead of cascading through radiators, cooling fans, and structural components that generate serious labor hours. The real game-changer is Tesla's 48-volt electrical backbone. Traditional 12-volt systems are like old houses with outdated wiring. When something breaks, you're tearing apart walls to find the problem. Tesla's 48-volt system is like having labeled circuit breakers for every device. A 960-watt load that needs 80 amps at 12 volts only needs 20 amps at 48 volts. Lower current means thinner wires, fewer connections, and plug-and-play modules. When a cabin fan fails in a traditional car, you're looking at dashboard teardown, harness tracing, and multiple shop visits. With Model 2's standardized waterproof connectors, disconnect power, unplug, swap module. Tesla claims mobile service can handle most repairs in 30 to 60 minutes at your driveway. That's not just convenient, it's catastrophic for shop revenue. And here's the detail that makes repair shop owners physically ill. That sealed underbody with service hatches. Everything's accessible from below on a standard lift. No pulling interior trim, no removing seats, no hours of labor just to reach the problem. The Model 3 already proves this works with rear shields using just 11 bolts at 5 Newton-meters each. But this is just the beginning. What's really surprising is how Tesla turned their HVAC system into the final nail in the repair industry's coffin. Here's where Tesla gets truly diabolical with their HVAC strategy. Traditional cars scatter climate control components throughout the vehicle like a treasure hunt. Evaporators behind dashboards, condensers in front bumpers, blend doors in impossible locations, actuators buried in door panels. Each failure point requires different skills, tools, and diagnostic time. It's a repair shop's dream revenue stream. Tesla's Model 2 crushes this with one brutal move. A single front-mounted block handling cabin cooling, heat pump heating, dehumidification, and battery thermal management. 4 separate profit centers eliminated with one engineering decision. The octovalve manifold is the secret weapon. Instead of maze-like hose runs with dozens of failure points, refrigerant and coolant route through one cast manifold with standardized ports. When something breaks, technicians open one cover, isolate the circuit, replace the sub-assembly. No more profitable diagnostic hunts through scattered components. But here's why this terrifies the industry. Tesla's efficiency numbers prove customers won't need rescue services. The heat pump delivers 3 to 4 times the efficiency of resistive heating. Real testing shows 83% range retention in freezing conditions versus 75% for non-heat pump EVs. Fewer emergency calls, fewer range anxiety incidents, fewer opportunities to capture desperate customers paying premium rates. Now add Tesla's unpainted polymer cladding strategy. Those lower sections around bumpers and wheel wells that generate steady collision revenue? They're now wrapped in textured plastic that's virtually impossible to make look damaged. A parking lot scuff that used to require sanding, primer, base coat, clear coat, and color blending now means popping off clips and installing a new piece. No paint booth, no skilled labor, no multi-day cycle time. Think about what this means economically. Body shops built their business model on minor collision damage. The bread-and-butter work that keeps bays occupied and technicians busy. Tesla just made that revenue stream extinct for their vehicles. And here's what's truly devastating. Tesla isn't targeting luxury buyers with these features. The Model 2's $25,000 price point puts repair-resistant engineering into the hands of cost-conscious consumers who'll spread word about lower ownership costs. The viral effect could destroy demand for traditionally serviceable vehicles. And here's why this changes everything. The timing creates a perfect storm that traditional repair shops cannot survive. The convergence of factors around Tesla's Model 2 launch creates an extinction-level event for traditional auto repair. While shops invested in equipment for internal combustion engines, Tesla quietly engineered away their entire business foundation. Insurance companies already struggle with EV repair costs, pushing minor accidents toward total loss. Tesla's modular design flips this completely. Predictable repair costs make their vehicles more insurable, not less. Lower repair bills mean lower premiums, making Tesla ownership even more attractive. It's a competitive advantage that compounds over time. But here's the detail most analysts miss. Tesla's production strategy makes this unstoppable. Building Model 2S on existing manufacturing lines means immediate scale without new factory delays. Every vehicle produced carries this repair-resistant DNA into the market, creating a growing population of cars that simply don't generate traditional service revenue. The sealed underbody eliminates another steady income source. Road salt corrosion, moisture damage, debris impacts that create ongoing maintenance needs. Tesla's IP67 rated protection blocks these issues entirely. The nuisance faults from corroded connectors and oxidized wiring that fill service schedules just disappear. Independent shops face an impossible choice. Invest heavily in Tesla-specific training for vehicles designed to need less service, or maintain expertise for a shrinking ICE fleet. Franchise dealerships might survive on warranty work, but their service profit centers are under direct assault. The competitive response looks hopeless. Retrofitting modular design requires complete platform re-engineering, billions in investment, and years of development time. Meanwhile, Tesla's advantage grows as more vehicles adopt their standardized procedures and parts availability improves. Here's what makes this truly catastrophic for repair shops. Consumer behavior change is irreversible. Once buyers experience bolt-on crash pods, plug-and-play modules, and damage-resistant surfaces, They'll demand similar features from every manufacturer. The entire industry will be forced to adopt Tesla's repair-minimizing philosophy or watch customers migrate to lower-cost ownership alternatives. The most sobering reality? This isn't theoretical disruption. It's happening now. Tesla's Model 2 production timeline puts repair-resistant vehicles in driveways by 2026. Repair shops built on complex, labor-intensive procedures are about to discover their most reliable profit centers became obsolete overnight. The revolution isn't coming. It's already rolling off the production line, one service-resistant vehicle at a time. This is exactly why Tesla's Model 2 represents the most significant disruption to automotive service since the assembly line. What started as curiosity about repair shop fears reveals something much bigger. Tesla didn't just build an affordable electric car, they systematically engineered away the economic foundation of traditional automotive service. The bolt-on crash pods, 48-volt plug-and-play modules, sealed underbodies, and damage-resistant cladding aren't separate features. They're coordinated strikes against every major repair revenue stream. Tesla calculated that making cars harder to break would be more profitable than making them easier to fix. What this means for the $200 billion automotive service industry is unprecedented transformation. When consumers experience ownership costs dropping from unpredictable repair bills to scheduled module swaps, there's no going back. Every major automaker will be forced to follow Tesla's repair-resistant playbook or watch their vehicles become uncompetitive on total cost of ownership. And this is just the beginning. Tesla's next-generation manufacturing platform will likely push this philosophy even further. We're watching the birth of truly modular vehicles where major systems become as replaceable as smartphone batteries. The bigger question isn't whether traditional repair shops can adapt. It's how quickly consumers will abandon complex, repair-prone vehicles once they taste the alternative. How do you think this shift will reshape not just automotive service, but car buying decisions over the next decade? This is Tech Revolution, where we decode the engineering decisions that reshape entire industries. The automotive disruption we've analyzed today is accelerating faster than most realize, and the implications reach far beyond repair shops. Tesla's Model 2 isn't just changing transportation. It's proving that the right engineering choices can eliminate entire industries overnight.